Hey everybody, check it out. This is the little dinosaur. This is what a baby cockatiel sounds like when they're hungry. Now this little baby just ate. You can see he's got food in his crop. And I'll give him a little more in a minute. But once he starts digesting it is when he'll know that he's good. But does he not sound and look like a little dinosaur? Look at the baby. Look at that. How beautiful. How cute. It's okay. It's okay. Calm down. You already got food, honey. You got food. This one already ate and is doing well. Winter, say hi. Pika, where'd you go, Bubba's? Pikachu? Come here. Come here. Yeah? Say hi, Winter. Hi, Winter. Hi. Good girl. Yeah, up. Where you going? Little clumsy girl. Since Winter is still a baby, she uses her little beak to touch everything, but she is not biting. So she's continuously exploring with her beak, just like a toddler would put all the toys in their mouth to figure out. There you go. You working on a seed? Good girl. Good job, Winter. Yeah, good job, Winter. Are you feeling the food now? Looks like we're starting to digest a little bit. You guys hear that? That's what it sounds like when they're swallowing. Watch. And that's their eating sound. Alrighty. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys the little dinosaur call that this cutie pie makes. And I'm going to go back to feeding now. Well, I'm going to finish feeding now. Alrighty, y'all. Next time, I might even have my husband or one of the kids hold the camera while I feed these little boogers, so that you guys can watch and see how that works. Alrighty, y'all. Bye. Hope you guys enjoyed the little baby dinosaur cries. Say bye-bye, baby. It's okay.